Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to you. Practicing pranayama in the evening is beneficial to help relax the mind and body, allowing for a deep, restful sleep. It also helps to balance the body's energy levels and restore a sense of calm and well-being, especially after a hard, busy day. So we're going to begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight, either on the mat, chair or bed. If you need to, you can always take the support of the wall. Chin mudra in your left hand, Nasika mudra in your right. Thumb open, your pointer and middle finger into your palms, fold it into your palms. And with our ring finger, we're going to open and close our left nostril. Breathe out completely through your left. Breathe in through your left. Remember to keep your face relaxed. Hold for 2 counts. And now forcefully breathe out through your left nostril as though you're trying to clear your nose. You can always use a tissue or a napkin to clean your nose. Go again. 3 rounds of this. Inhale. Eyes stay closed. Hold your breath in. And forcefully breathe out. Hold and breathe out. If your ears get locked, just swallow and that will open up. Last time, breath in. Now we're going to do the other side. Feel free to clean your nose. Now with your ring finger, close your left nostril, completely breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right, hold your breath in for 2 to 4 counts and forcefully breathe out. Again, breath in, pause. Last time. Now we're going to practice both our nostrils. Chin mudra, close your eyes, breathe in through your nose. See that you're not squeezing your eyes shut or frowning. Keep your full face relaxed. Hold. Last one. Stay here, just notice how you feel, especially all along your nostrils, your throat. And open your eyes with a few blinks. Anunasika breathing is really good for upper respiratory tract infections. So if you're prone to it, this is something that you can do every day. Now we're going to practice Nadi Shuddi Pranayama, which is again a balancing pranayama. Chin mudra in your left hand, Nasika mudra in your right. Close your right nostril. We're going to do 5 rounds of this. Completely breathe out through your left. Now breathe in through your left. Close your left nostril. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril. Breathe out through your left. We're going to do 5 rounds of this. When you breathe in, you can count for 4. As you breathe out again, breathe out for 4. Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your left nostril, breathe out through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now close and completely breathe out through your left. You can count in your mind. 4 more rounds. Breath in. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close and completely breathe out through your left. Three more rounds. You can always increase your counts based on how you feel. Breath in. And out. Breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril. Breathe out through your left. Again, breath in through your left. Out through your right. Once again, breath in. And out. Last round, breathe in. And out. And breath in through your right. Completely breathe out through your left. Drop your hands. Pause and notice how you feel in your body. Notice your breath. Just one more breath in and breathe out. Now we're going to practice Bhramari. This is again a calming and soothing pranayama. It's also called the bee breath. Here we're going to close our eyes and our ears, putting our tongue to the touching our tongue to the roof of our mouth, and we're going to chant the n sound. It's like a humming bee. So with our thumb, this little cartilage on the outside of your ear, use that like a flap to cover your ears. Your fingers at the bridge of your nose, don't press your eyeballs, elbows to the side. Tongue to the roof of your mouth, take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, so extend this n sound all along your exhalation. So to begin, it can be short, but over a period of time with practice, go all along your exhalation as long as you want to. Notice the vibrations in your head and face region. We're going to do 5 rounds. Breath in through your nose. Back stays straight, face is relaxed. Tongue to the roof of your mouth. Three more rounds. Last round, breathe in. You can stay here for a couple more breaths, just observing the changes that you feel in your body, observing the thoughts that are coming into your mind. You can always end the session by chanting one round of Om. Inhale. Om. Gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. I would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video and you think somebody would benefit from it, please share. Namaste.